turbo. Yep. Rev it up, bro. Rev it up in here. Rev it up in here. Ooh. Yo, that shit's deep as fuck. I can like feel it. Oh shit. Yeah, there's a mess in here. I'm about to get this. Alright, now it's actually clean. They're both clean. They're both clean. We got mine clean. We got his clean. Oh. Look at that idle. That idle. I don't know what the fuck it's called. Bang. Yo, I just need you guys to take a second for you guys to add me on every social media. Yep. 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 About to rip it right in front of the cop. All right, YouTube. I did not make a proper intro, so what I'm gonna do is make a proper intro. What do you know? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I just came back from washing the car, but as you see, it's not the best weather, and it wasn't the best idea. Anyways, today we're basically gonna go to, I'm gonna go see if my brother, after he gets out of work, wants to go. We're gonna go to basically the car show or car meet they got in West Springfield. It's gonna be me, my boy with the Audi, Chris, probably my other boy, Chris, with the Genesis. He just got a muffler delete. And we'll meet up some of my guys that usually go anyway, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go see what I'm gonna do right now. I'll probably like put gas in the car or some shit. But other than that, stay tuned. At the location, guess whose car is here? That boy Chris.
Fuck you. Get out that window, nigga.
Hey, go ahead.
Put this forehead on the block. Come here.
Shout yourself out.
Shout yourself out. That's Adman right there.
That's
Young
Adman
Adman,
right
brother.
there.
Oh, whoa.
Yo, we call that nigga Buddha. Look at this.
Woo! Show these niggas. Look. Yeah, dude, try it again.
Yo, going right up for the vlog. Yo, for the vlog, for my main vlog, bog out. Hello.
For the vlog, bro.
Hurry up.
Shit, bro.
A little one.
He ain't got shit.
Come on, brother, he's recording on his vlog.
You gonna lose your views because of that. As long as he doesn't lose
Gotta rub it higher, nigga.
I think I'm high with my boy.
Yo, what up, everybody?
We're pulling up high here. I'm saying. Hold on. Ooh. Put here for us. Got a few cars out here tonight. We out here. Got a fucking dope ass Civic. Got a Jenny. Oh, is this Hype Screw? Wide body FRS. Boy, supercharged. Alright, we got the FRS owner. Alright, let me know about it. I want to know
Yeah,
about
so at the moment, it's just, I got the V1 Rocket Bunny kit on it. Got basically just wheels, exhaust, full exhaust system. That's really much it, to be honest with you. Engine-wise, I'm not doing anything too big with the engine because I definitely want to go swap for next year. So I'll probably end up going either a 2JZ or LS swap. But that's gonna be definitely another huge, bigger project.
Big wing on it. Big Wang on it?
Yeah, big. I call it the Big Wang.
Yeah,
Everybody
Big
calls it
Wang gang.
calls it Wang.
Big Wang gang. Ooh. Yeah. Shit's... Yeah. That supercharger wine. Blocking off some plates. Hey yo, Chris. Hey yo, Chris. Hey yo, Chris. Hey yo, Chris. What'd that cop do to you?
Oh, he gave me a ticket.
Yeah.
Those cops.
Hold on.
These niggas swear, always got me stressed like, nah, bitch. Swear you can have it.
But why you niggas hating on us for? Like the fuck?
No, it's because I gotta go
It
to
ain't nothing
pussy.
new. We pull up and you niggas and look at that. You
Niggas
trying
is
to get at
pressed.
us.
Niggas is
Y'all
pressed. Like,
niggas is thirsty. Oh.
Yo, get out the car, bro. You won't get out the car. You
hell
won't.
no, fuck that.
Yeah. My homegirl.
It ain't cheap. They're expensive.
Look at that, bitch.
Going to the jeweler, but the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah. I'm trying to fuck it up,
fuck it up.
Jump over this nigga, do not test me, yeah. The coupe on my wrist, multi-million-dollar, I'm a fool with the yacht.
If the ST's gonna catch him, he's catching him way over there though.
Nah, I think he's gonna catch him at the beginning or not.
That person's
Yeah.
Chris is so fucking fast.
Hey, well, thank you for watching my vlog. That was a great night. That was basically 2 race nights together, but we did it. Have fun. Follow my boys. I'll put their links, their Instagrams down below. They make funny videos, Chris and Manny. And stay tuned for the next vlog. I'm off it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment. See ya. Peace.
Keep